Hello everyone, this is Leke, your guy, and from Cosby Finance. And in this video I want to explain to you how you could maximize the trend. First of all, know the trend of the market, and also how you can follow through the trend of the market. So if you're new to this channel and you're joining us for the first time, I would like you to please subscribe and also click the bell button so that I can get notifications whenever videos like this are being created. Now quickly, it's a saying that you need to understand and know the trend of the market and also to trade along the trend. But in time past, it's been a problem because a lot of us get carried away with what is happening in the market, and a lot of us might really not even know how to pick which side of the market to follow. But now there's a software that actually takes off the stress from you and just gives everything to you as it ought to. So the name of the software is Finviz.com. Finviz.com is a web app that tells you the strength of the market and it tells you the direction the market is going to. So all you need to do is just go to Finviz.com, then click on Forex, then click on Performance. Then it brings you to this place. Then you can actually filter to which of the levels that you want here, be it daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, quarterly, and half yearly, whichever. Now this is the main chart that I usually focus on, and this chart has the positive scale and the negative scale. You can see that it's being rated in percentages, and right here it arranges them according to the highest and the lowest percentage. As you can see that the Swiss franc has the highest percentage, that is on the uptrend. Then the Greek GBP, which is the pounds, is in the downtrend. So the first thing I usually do is come here, look at this chart, and this chart tells me the right pairs to merge together so that I can know which the ones that are trending. Now to know the markets that are trending, I usually use the first two, or just the first, and the last two, or the last. Yes, no, you merge them together, then from there you'll be able to know the trend of the market. For instance, you can take this Swiss franc and the GBP pounds. If you put them together, you know that GBP is higher than the Swiss, so certainly the GBP is on the downtrend, so certainly the market is going to be on the downtrend. So we'll be going right to our charts to check the GBP Swiss very soon. Then you should compare the euro and the GBP. You know the GBP is higher, but usually paired as euro GBP, so you expect that this market should be on the downtrend. Also, you could also pair the Swiss and the CAD. Yes, the Canadian dollar. You know this, it's usually paired as CAD Swiss franc. You know that the CAD, that pair is going to be on the downtrend also. So that's how you can actually make use of that. So now we'll be looking into the GBP and the Swiss franc chart. So come here. This is my GBP and the Swiss franc chart. Now in my GBP and Swiss franc chart, you can see right here that I have you can see here that I already have indicators shown here. Now the best indicator for you to use, I would say the best strategy to help you know, to help you trade alongside the trend, is using hidden divergence. If you want to have comprehensive knowledge of what divergence is all about. I advise you go check our video on divergence, and it's going to help you a lot to know what divergence is all about. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I won't be going in depth to what the divergence or hidden divergence is. I would advise you go watch the video on our channel that is comprehensive on divergence. Hidden divergence helps you to know or confirm, or is used as a confirmation of a trend continuation. So since we want to trade alongside the trend, we need something that can help us to know that the trend is going to continue in a certain direction. So now let me explain this in a brief to you. Now, if there's a downtrend, yes, which is the regular downtrend pattern. So if you also want to understand and get a comprehensive knowledge of chart patterns, I want you to go and watch our video on profitable chart patterns, how to spot profitable chart patterns. So now this is a downtrend, these are the pullbacks 1 and 2. Now right here, this is your stochastic chart. Your stochastic chart moves down, goes up, drops again, then moves above again. Now you notice that this is the first lower low, so this is the first higher low, and this is the first lower high, then this is the second lower high. Now you notice that the corresponding level on the stochastic, you can see that this is lower than this, but on the chart you can see that this is higher than this. So when you draw the trend lines to join this and this, you notice that this will be dropping low, then this will be going up. So this is a confirmation that the market will be dropping further, and these are the signs of, and this is what you call a bearish hidden divergence. That is, the market is going to move or continue to the downside. So the reverse is the case for a bullish market. So right here you can see that I told you from our FinViz that the market is in a downtrend. So what you want to do here is, you can see the market move to this level, drops, move to this level, then drops. Now I like to consider the market at certain highs and also where it touched the 50 EMA. So this is my 50 EMA and this is my stochastic. So you can go and watch our videos on how to add indicators to your chart. Then another good thing about this strategy that I like is you can trade it on your mobile phone, which is you can trade it anywhere. Why? Because all you need to do is just go to your browser, your Chrome browser or whichever browser you use on your mobile phone to check the FinViz app. Then once you spot the trend, you can go to your MT4 app on your phone, and these are custom indicators, the 5 EMA and the stochastic. They are custom indicators. They help you to you don't need to pay for them. They are on your custom mobile MT4 indicator app. So now you notice that the market moved to this high, then dropped, then moved to this high again, then dropped. Now you notice that it moved from here and moved to and dropped, moved here, then dropped again, which is the downtrend that I mentioned to you earlier. This way, and this way. So next thing you do is you draw a trend line joining those levels together. You can see it shows you that it's a downtrend. Then on your stochastic, you can join these levels together and you will see that you can see it's an uptrend. You can see this is moving upwards, this is moving downwards, or sometimes this could be on the same level. So but to be on the safer side, it's preferable that it's an uptrend going this way. Or we can actually make use of this level if we want, because you can see this is even higher than this. So you can put our stochastic here, then you can move your level to here. You can see, so you still get your upper level, you can still get your hidden divergence. Then right here you place your entry, then you exit right when the market is about turning here, or when the market drops below 20, and you make your profit right here. So this is how you can actually you can make your trade profitable and have zero drawdown in the market. So do not forget that it's necessary you trade alongside the trend, and also it's necessary that you follow the direction of your hidden divergence. That is, if the market is trending upwards, then you'll be looking out for bullish hidden divergence. Then if the market is trending downwards, then you'll be looking for bearish hidden divergence. So number one, it gives you, it tells you, using the stochastic, it tells you when to enter and when to exit, and also gives you little or zero drawdown in your trade, and gives you sniper entries also. So I implore you to test out this strategy and also do some back testing, and before you go live, and so that you can also get acquainted and understand the strategy properly. So if you like this video, please share with your friends, and also click the subscribe button and the bell button so that you get notifications whenever we post videos like this. Also, we'll share this video with your friends, and you can also join our Telegram group if you want to be part of the community. So please endeavor to stop by every Monday, because we post Bitcoin and Ethereum updates every Monday on a weekly basis. So it's necessary that you watch those updates so that you can prepare yourself for what you'll be expecting for the week. And also, we post videos 3 to 4 times in a week. So I'd love to have you on the community, and I'd love to share my strategies and ideas with you. So please stay profitable, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.